It's a tour of room 7134 on the Disney Wonder. When you come in, immediately to the left, you have the toilet half of the bathroom with some decent lighting. The shower portion of the bathroom with H2O products. And then let me back up real quick so you can see the closet area with the safe down there. That bang you heard was me running into the door because it's very tight in here. Life vests. Room to store luggage if you like. More storage. Nice comfy bed. And there's good storage underneath for your luggage. Our storage isn't under there yet because it's sitting outside the room, so I can do the tour and have room to walk around. But because this is my second cruise, I'm officially a Silver Castaway Club member. They give you a lanyard for your key to the room card. Nice little baggie, which we'll probably end up using at some point on the trip. I like these curtains here so you can have a little privacy if you're traveling with, like, I don't know, kids, adults, 2 sets of adults, whatever. Places to charge your phone and things are up here somewhere, I suppose. We'll find those out for you. I think that opens to a bed. I know that definitely opens to a bed, but you have to have your stateroom host do it for you. And then the real reason why everybody's here is a veranda. Note to self, this is a pull slide open door, not a push door. Took me like 4 times to figure that out. This is our veranda. I think this is bigger than the veranda that we had last year on our cruise, to be honest with you. It seems more spacious, like depth-wise. We're still in Vancouver, we haven't left yet. And this is a look at the room from this direction. Let's see if we can find those plugs. Aha! Plug, American plug, European plug. Let's see. Light switches in there. I feel like there should be more places you can plug your stuff in. Maybe I'm just missing it. Or maybe I'm not. But we did bring a little cruise plug thing. I can't think of what the word is. So we can, like, you plug one thing in and then you can, like, put your phone, watch, whatever, chargers all in the one thing. Whatever you call those things. I'm doing a good job at this. But as you can see, it's very tight. Tight, tight, tight. But that's our room. Nice and clean, cute, cozy. This is our room. Look, DVC member.